Hello people, in this video I want to share with you the one tool that I cannot live without in Premiere Pro. Is the Remix tool. Alright, is the Remix tool. This is one of the best tools Premiere Pro have reviewed in the last few years. And it makes life so much easier when it comes to dealing with audio. Cool, now in Premiere Pro I've got few clips on the timeline. And the first part of these clips, it's 35 seconds and 6 frames. So let me drag this song onto the audio track. Then let me go and find the Remix tool, and I'll go back to the audio track and just drag this audio all the way to the end of the second video. And as you can see, it's already analyzed it and shortened it so it can match the length of the clips. That's just magic. So now you can see that we've got these zigzag lines on the audio track. So what are they? That's the cuts that the Remix tool has done, and it merged all the little bits of this audio track together and created a transitions automatically. So let me play it from here so you can see what is the transitions like, if it's smooth or it's not so smooth. So I'll play it. And as you can see, it's a perfect smooth transition. But if I had to do this manually, it would take me ages and it wouldn't be that good. Now the question is, will the Remix tool manage to produce the same results if the song has lyrics in it? Well, let's try it out. Let's try another song. So you might say, you're cheating somehow. Okay, let's try this one. Again, I'll do the same thing. Boom. This time it's a little bit shorter, so I'll shorten the video as well. Right, I'll play it from the beginning because it's only 23 seconds, so let's hear.
Yeah, I got nothing, you're faithful and true. So I'm keeping my gaze on you. I keep my gaze on you, keep my gaze on you. Lord, won't look away from you, look away from you, Lord.
Man, that's amazing. Even the reverb, it's amazing, and the transitions between these cuts are just incredible, even with lyrics. And I'm so happy that Adobe have introduced this tool to Premiere Pro, one of the best tools ever. Also people, if you want a high quality music and once for all solve the problem with licensing music and you will never have problems with your videos, or if you're working on different projects, I've got the perfect place for you. And here I want to give a big shout out to Audio, where you can find thousands of high quality songs, and on top of that you've got a new music added daily, which is incredible. But you're not gonna find only music there, you're gonna find up to 300,000 plus sound effects as well. And the fact that big brands such as Audi, Levi's, Netflix and Hulu are using their services, it's evidence that they're doing something right. Now when it comes to pricing, they are offering 4 plans. The first one is the creator one, which is $14.99 per month, which includes the music catalog and the sound effects catalog. You can monetize one channel and you can use it for podcasts as well. Next is the pro plan, which is the most popular, and originally it's $199, but now it's discounted to half price, which is $99, and it's built annually. What's included in this bundle is the same as the creator one, plus you can use it on your phones, which is very useful. Also you can monetize 3 channels, you can do podcasts, small client use, I don't know what is even that, you can do video games, you can do all kind of things. Also you can get to use the Hans AI, which is really cool too. And on top of that, they give me the chance to offer you 70% off of your first year if you sign up with the pro bundle. So if you want to get this deal, go into the link down below, and when you get to the checkout, use the code SAVE70. Next we've got a lifetime, which is from $499 to $199. But in this case, what you can use, it's only the music catalog. The sound effects are not included. You can use it for personal web or the social media. You can monetize up to 3 channels. You can use it for podcasts and small clients, but that's a lifetime. You pay once and that's it. You can use all their songs for lifetime, and that's one payment. And here I can say that's one of the best investments I have ever done, because I purchased a lifetime bundle and honestly it solved all my problems with finding the right music for my videos. And that's all for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did so, as always, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.